Hey, we're gonna extract DNA from a banana. Come on, let's go for it. So we need to put banana pieces into a packet like this. And then we have to smash it on. Once you end up mixing it, you gotta filter it up. For that you just need a filter and a glass cup. So 3, 2, and 1. We end up getting a liquid like this. Mash it up until all the liquid comes up. Now, to this final product, we just need to add cold isopropyl alcohol. This is the cold isopropyl alcohol, and you can just get this from any sanitizer. Now we have to add up the isopropyl alcohol to the liquid that we obtained. There we go. 3, 2, 1. And you gotta wait for some time until the thin DNA rises up. So let's get it out now. You can use forceps and get out the DNA with it. There you go. Here's our DNA of banana.